This is integrated 3. It's problem 5-28. It was a focus problem. Solve the following systems of equations. In other words, find values of A and B that make each system true. Be sure to show your work or explain your thinking clearly. So I've never shown these to you before. Some of you are just kind of plowing through them using substitution. I haven't, or maybe you could use elimination, I don't know, but there's another way besides substitution and elimination to do these. This one I would just probably observe that b to the 0 equals 1. So a times 1 equals a. So a equals 3. That's what I would do with this one. I'd say, well, a equals 3. And then I would just, I don't know, I guess you could, you would go 75 equals 3 times b squared, and then divide both sides by 3. So 25 equals b squared, and then square root both sides. And then we're going to have to take a plus or minus. So b is plus or minus square root of 25 is 5. So there's a and b. So that's how I would do that one. But this one lends itself nicely to a new way that I'm going to show you right now. I know you've probably never thought of this before, but you are allowed to divide both sides of an equation as long as you divide both sides by the same number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write out this bottom equation. I just want this one to be on the top because it has bigger numbers and I don't want fractions. So I'm going to divide 54 equals a times b cubed by 18 on both sides. Okay, so I'll divide this side by 18, and I'll divide this side by 18. But I'm not going to really divide it by 18. I'm going to divide it by something that's equal to 18, which is ab squared. So in other words, you can divide equations by each other because you're dividing, because they're equal. You can divide anything as long as you do it on both sides. So why did I want to do this? Well, look, the a's cancel out. B's we can do that exponent, math where you just go 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is b to the 1. And 54 divided by 18 is actually just a nice number. It's 3. I think that's the fastest way to do it. And then you can plug that in maybe up here. So you can go 18. We said b was, well, 3. So 18 equals 3 times 3 is 9. And then so a is 2. Okay, I think that's the funnest way to do that problem.